this video we're gonna talk about work done by a constant a constant force and a continuous constant force and a continuous varying force. So the first one is done by constant force. So the formula for work for constant force is equal as work equals force times distance. So let's say you have an object, so lifting 100-pound object 5 feet off ground. The way you do it is work is equal to force times distance, which is equal to 100-pound times 5 feet, which is equal to 500 foot-pound. That's the way you do this type of problem. Now let's go to the next type of force. We're gonna derive it, okay? So work done by a varying continuous force. Okay, so let's say object moves along a straight line from A to B. Then let delta be a partition of A and B. That means that A is equal to x naught and B is equal to xn, and that means that x naught is less than x1, less than x2, less than xn minus 1 xn. Because so for f of x continuous implies that there exists a ci that belongs to xi minus 1 xi such that the force at ci is is equal to F of CI. So we can approximate work by taking the sum from 1 to n of each Ci delta xi. So for each sub-interval we have this, and we add them all, we get an approximation. And this approximation can get better by letting delta x or n approach infinity and we do the following. We take the limit as n approach infinity and that's gonna equal to the integral from a to b of f of x dx, and that's the formula that we need for continuous varying force, work done by a continuous varying force. Okay, so we look at constant force and constant varying force. We look at continuous varying force, constant force and continuous varying force. Okay, so this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.